Here's an example of a coach who uses negative tactics to try to intimidate or motivate players. My question to you is, have you ever played for a coach like this? There's a lot of discussion here about purposeful and non-purposeful intimidation. Please see that you know the difference in the two. And yes, non-purposeful intimidation can happen. Just consider a small child with a big adult, maybe with a big booming voice, who wouldn't necessarily be trying to intimidate, but may just because of his size and voice. Do you consider talking trash intimidation? Please note this quote from football player Dwayne Martin. If any player goes out intentionally to take another player out, he is a coward. If you aren't willing to put your best against his best and you have to revert to violence to win, you are a coward. Such is the coward's methods. What are your thoughts about that? We wrap up this chapter with a very interesting question. What is the purpose of competition? You have to decide this for yourself.